Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Cosmac Foundation Makeup Kit Combo Pack of 13, a complete set that's got everything you need for a full glam look, all in one amazing package perfect for women and girls who want affordable, pro-level beauty. Let's dive into this haul and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and compact, making it a great gift or travel buddy with all 13 pieces neatly tucked inside. Starting with the foundation, it's lightweight and creamy, offering buildable coverage. I blended it out and it evened my skin tone beautifully. No caking here. The primer is a smooth base that preps my skin, keeping everything in place. A total must-have. Next, the eyeshadow palette. It's got vibrant mattes and shimmers. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is decent. Blends well with a little fallout, but nothing major. The highlighter is a radiant glow. I dabbed it on my cheekbones and it's stunning without being over the top. The eyeliner and mascara combo, both jet black. The eyeliner glides on sharp and the mascara gives my lashes volume that lasts all day. The eyebrow pencil is precise. I filled my brows and they looked defined and natural. Then the mini lipstick, a bold shade that's creamy and comfy, stayed on for hours. The contour stick sculpts my cheeks effortlessly, and the concealer hides my dark circles like magic. The lip balm keeps my lips soft, and the face powder sets everything with a matte finish, no shine even after a busy day. The fixer spray locks it all in. I tested it and my look stayed fresh and waterproof. Oh, and the brushes, soft and perfect for blending everything in this kit. This set is a steal for beginners or pros, not luxury but amazing value. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video with a full look. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next.